my channel. If this is the first time you are coming to my channel, please consider the video that Ikenga Uruagu made. It is always good for us to look into such videos because a lot is being said there in that video. We all know who Ikenga is, who he is. Yes, some of us have seen the video, some of us have watched the video, but I am here to react, okay? I have to react to some of the things that he said. It is very, very important for us to understand that everybody have their own opinion. I respect your opinion. I'm not here to, this channel is not to attack anybody. So I'm not here to attack anybody, but to set the record straight. Like when you see something that is truth, you stand by it. We promote truth and honesty, no matter where it comes from. That was why I said, well, the day Emeka Gift was saying something about those who are kidnapping in Southeast, I came out and said that his post is very, very nice, that I am in support of what he said, and it goes in line with what PM said as well. Then the day he decided to, do one or two things, sometimes that you do something correct, in a correct way, does not mean that you always do it in that way. So sometimes you can also make a mistake, and to what Ikenga said actually, and we are going to highlight one of the key words in that video. As we are playing it, we will be reacting and responding to that. It is very, very important. And anywhere some comment that he made that you may not reason properly, or maybe you are unable to comprehend the hidden meaning, from what he said, I will be, calling it out, explaining it to you so that you understand it. I'm not going to waste much time, so let's go there.
Come on, tell them that we are live, and try to invite as many people as you can. Let us talk. We must keep talking. It doesn't matter the disagreement. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The most important thing, we must keep talking. We must keep talking. Now, I want us to deliberate on this so-called self-referendum, the significance of it, and why self-referendum. What could be the motive behind the people who are, requesting or demanding or calling for that? Now, before I go on, we think of one water. Anybody gezugoshi, anybody gezugoshi, Gabia, and the kind of thing the person will be proposing will be too good to be truth. Now, I Bundibo and I am here. I'm uncommon, I'm uncontrolled. In a mess with it doesn't matter the number of people that hate you. Ndị woman in a make it. Now when you mess with Amara be popular.
No, you have said it all. You have said it all. Don't deviate from what you just said. Ndị Igbo na-ama onye na-eme ezigbo ihe, that is just fact. That is true. So when you're trying to make it look as if, yes, despite they know that you are doing good things, yet they will not be following you. They will choose to follow someone who is doing bad. That means they don't know somebody who is doing good thing. So don't contradict yourself, because you just said it here. ndị Igbo ị na-eme ezigbote ife, ndị Igbo na-ama na ị na-eme ezigbote ife, mana ị na-eme nke ọjọọ, ndị Igbo will also know na ị na-eme nke ọjọọ. Okay, trying to make it look as if despite they know all those things, they will still follow somebody who is doing bad thing. That it doesn't make sense. You are trying to protect your own side then, so forget about that. We know what you are saying, and you are not the only one that said it. Master Nokan made it clear that Biafrans, Igbo people, Igbo Biafrans are very, very smart. If you are doing something, they know what you are doing. They are watching you. They know what this your action, where it is taking them to. So anytime you want to make it look as if no, I'm just doing it, they are just following me because I am who I am. You know that kind of, without putting work, they will distance themselves from you. That's what Mazagana said in the past, and you trying to repeat it here in a different way is a welcome development, but trying to misinterpret it is not, it didn't go down well at all. So don't do that. Please, if you are joining in, please hit the like button. Let others join us as we move forward in this live stream. Somebody have commented and said Ikenga. Okay, Joy TV, Ever Joy TV said tell Ikenga we're disconnected, but we're back. What I'm trying to say is that you cannot follow somebody who don't know road, yeah, something like that. Okay, you're right. So let's continue playing the
only name now the popular, only that your popularity will not last. I've seen a whole lot of things today on Facebook. People lying to people, monetization.
Guys, I am not interested about his lecture about how to monetizing Facebook and monetizing this. That is not what I'm here for. I just want to skip it, this part where he was talking about how you can lying to each other. No, this live program is not for that. It's that I just want to focus on area of where he talks about referendum. You understand? So let's focus on that. And like I said, I am not here to attack him. So for his members who are waiting to hear me, bashing him, no, I'm not bashing him. I will respond based on what he said in the video. I'm not going to start criticizing him. No, he is the one that will criticize himself, not me. I can't do that for him. So let's wait and see what. Let me skip it a bit. I think he started talking about that. I think close to. Let me start from here. Okay.
Now for mother, on aka na-eloba, na-emegheri na-akpali people, na-ebodo people ife ha eme, ụna na-akụrị aka. Any day, onye ahụ a na-akpali strike, ụna pụta, omelebele yibere nkịta berisi. People apụta, ma ndị nne nwanyị kwesịrị nọ, na-eme Ikenga need mbo. I saw put on Facebook simply because able mama video call. He got our iPhone. Because he will iPhone, he now forget your age. He put on Facebook isoro ụmụaka na-ezuzugharị. Nne nwanyị kwesịrị ụgbọ omeri mere taa echi nweta onwe gị. Part of ndụ nne nwanyị. Nke gị bụ ịpụta bịa Facebook sịrị na-eme nna biko nọ gbaalụ. Nne nwanyị aja aghụghọ ọ dụrụ mma. And the animal warn on that internet never forgets.
This is where I was waiting for him to land. That internet never forgets. So Ikenga, your videos and your statement, you remember when you said that you can never ever be a politician, that the rumor about you becoming politician is a lie, that you are not a politician, that you can never ever. Then that video is in public. Then later you came back and started telling people that you have this future, that you cannot risk your future, that you are sorry for whatever that you have said in the past, that you don't want to jeopardize your future, that you have a very bright future, and let you be honest, that future is all about you becoming a politician. That is after your connection with your brother, like you said, Ifa Yoba, that people are criticizing you for taking picture with him, and people should not, bash you up because of that. You know what you're doing, that he's your brother, and I respect that. He's your brother, yes. Now, but how he become your brother, I don't know. Okay, because I know that you don't share surname with him. I'm not looking into that. You can be friend with whoever you want to be friend with. But I just want to refresh your memory how you started. When you open your Facebook and your YouTube, you are doing programs in the name of Biafran, IPOB, media warrior, people who are under oath, unlike us. I am an independent broadcast. I don't have any oath. Okay, I did not take any oath. But you parade yourself as a inner caucus, people who are the IPOB family holders. You are one of the pillars. You remember when you were putting call on your live stream, trying to reach out to people in Europe on how to, challenge Nigeria. I just want to know, because you said internet never forgets, right? So these are things, I just want to refresh your memory on your past activities. So when you are doing those videos, saying things that is not, like you are admitted in the video that there are some things you have said in the past that after saying it, you realize that you shouldn't have said that. You come out and apologize in your word, which some people may not have seen your apology. You remember when you demonetize Master Prophet's YouTube, when you demonetize it simply because he was of different opinion with you, or his channel was destroyed. And this is somebody who are sharing similar belief about IPOB, that they want IPOB and the DOS to stand strong and fight Simon Ekpa. And after, because maybe it should be money issue or something like that, but people don't know what was your anger on Master Prophet when you demonetize his Facebook for using your own video. It could be one or two. You destroyed that account. It was Simon Ekpa who now informed people to go and subscribe to Master Prophet, even though Master Prophet was out, attacking Simon Ekpa, attacking PM. Then I just want to remind you what happened in the internet that you may have forgotten. Okay, so it's not as if that you always preach truth, honesty, and people don't want to listen to you or believe in your word. So I just want to pin, this is the one that comes out from my memory at the moment. I don't have any written anywhere, where I jot what all those things are. But I just want to tell you that we saw what you have done those days, and we know what you can do. Do you understand? So don't make it as if people are bashing you because you are Ikenga. No, there's something you have done that lead people to do that, or not following you the way you think. Say that people are following people, those are not doing it well, those are lying, that those who don't say the truth. So for you not to see the followers that you wish to have or you were having, is because you are not getting it wrong. In your word, you said that Igbo people they know when you're doing something right and they follow you. And now you turn back and say, no, even though you are doing good things, you may not be getting the followers that you need. So you are contradicting yourself. I will skip this place. No, I will play it so that others will hear you, vomiting it out from your mouth.
Internet, don't forget. Whatever you do today, you will receive the payment tomorrow or next. Caution the person, not when the repercussion will come. It will be your biko. And the only na your job, you not consider that person evil.
Wow. And you said that each time you do something that is wrong, that you come out and apologize. So you apologize to expect the person also to consider you. And you are telling people no. Even if you say biko, you say you are sorry. If the person refused, don't be angry at the person who refused. I don't understand your statement, what you really want to achieve with this point, but let's continue.
Had it been under well opportunity, they will put the person down.
Happy good morning to you. Happy Sunday to you. How are you today? Thank you for coming in. Please, guys, if you are joining, hit the like button. Yes, let me use this opportunity to thank those who send the super chats. Even a thanks, super chat when we are not when we are offline. I receive your messages. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. May God bless you and reward you immensely. Thank you.
I am not for anybody, I am for everybody. I only speak the truth. I will apply break. If I name it or the man, I will change. Unu na fota bully as a way of making money. And the worst part of it, some of you now put online, see no one.
So you are talking, yeah, are you talking to DOS side who said that gentle is normal? Is that what they're trying to say? Are you not telling people that gentle, you can that the DOS child, what he said about gentle, because he made a post, even a video questioning the life of Ikenga. Not only him, Emeka Gift also did the same thing. So are you not saying that what they're doing doesn't make sense? Are you repenting? And you remember when you were celebrating the pie of some members of ESM in the past? You were online celebrating them and even praising those who pie Igbo's youth. Maybe you have forgotten all those things, but you said internet never forgets. So I'm not here, like I said, I will use your own words to reply what you are saying here. It is very, very interesting to hear it from you. I'm not attacking you, just to remind you what you have said in the past. That's all. Okay?
Some of you in Africa more like see no onye nwere ife na-eme ebu HIV. Some of you now put online see no onye nwannu na ụmụ ya bụ infection. Some of you now put online na-ekwu ife dị iche iche. And the imaro na the day of your evil will surely come.
Fine. You people also, before you become a politician in Nigeria, you were one of them you are among those who said that PM married an old woman in Finland. You are one of those who said he is not a lawyer. You are one of those who said that he don't even have a child. You are one of those who said he's living there, that he don't have even work, that he's a criminal, he's a criminal. You remember those times? All these things that you have said about PM in the past in your own life program, have you come out and say, I am sorry? Like you said, you always do that. Once you wrong people, you come out and say, I'm sorry. The sorry that you need to say to PM, you are not man enough to say that, and you are here trying to defend something that is obvious.
The day of the repercussion of
Sonny, Ikenga is such a foolish and low mental human being. He thinks he is smart to deny all the sabotaging he did online against Biafra and Muslim American because of his utterance. Is it I don't understand what you said here. Because of his untraceable political ambition. Okay, fake man. You continue with another comment and say, let's keep watching him to see where he is going. He is not smart enough to intellectuals. Yes, he's not. But he's far better than DOSI. I'm telling you, Ikenga is more smart than DOSI. Ikenga is smarter. To me, my own opinion, he is an intelligent person to compare DOS child. DOS child is worst. That guy, that guy. Each time I read his comments, that guy is quite fun. Not his own. He don't hide, and when they discuss something, in their WhatsApp group or in the secret place, he will jump out without waiting for the people who initiated that discussion to come out with evidence to verify it. He'll be the first to say, they were rumoring about disappearance of Gentle, Commander Gentle. Then, when Gentle refused to even comment or say anything and kept quiet, they have no choice than to cook up a story that they were having problem among themselves in the camp and all that, and one of them, used catapult and tie him. Who came out with the information in public? A mega gift and DSI. DSI was busy repeating it every time. Now that Gentle is out, he don't care to even respond to that. Because he's afraid. Not afraid. He's ashamed of himself in some way. Okay, well done, my good brother. Keep all the good work. We Biafran love you guys. Thank you so much, blessing Kelechi. I see you. Thank you. Please don't forget to like the stream. Hit that button so that others will join us as we move forward. Thank you.
What you do will surely come. Everybody bido ọ jụgburu onwe ya, and onye nwabata ndị Igbo ji wee nọ n'ebe a, unu na-adị over emotional. Mmadụ na-eme ife ọjọọ gbalịa. Ifu ntụ abụọ bụ Ikenga nọ.
I am just doing what you are preaching, just to tell you that what you are doing is wrong. So you said, "Man, name Hojo." I'm not emotional. You can see I'm very relaxed, telling you that what you are doing is wrong. So I am following your preaching. So don't get it twisted. I'm following your preaching. Man, name Hojo. I'm telling you that what you are doing is wrong. Telling people, mentioning their names for people to buy them is wrong. Calling people out, proclaiming what they are not is wrong. Calling someone who have not stolen anything, who have not taken anything away from you, you don't have your money, not your wife, you don't drag land with you, no business, you don't have any business connection with him, he have not done you anything wrong that warrant you to start calling him a bedema. It's wrong. So I am doing what you are preaching. I think you should be proud of me. You should be proud of me, honestly.
And I respect people like that.
At least you will respect me because I am not saying anything wrong. That I'm not saying something that you have not done. Okay, I'm just reminding you what. So I'm telling you that is wrong. So I am one of your students. I'm one of your students. So I'm following your lecture. Okay.
Somebody onye dịka nwunye m na-eme m anya. He may not tell me that in public. He may not tell me that other people will hear it. Mana people na-enwu okwu ọsị na onye anụ ị na-emekwa ife abụghị wanachi okwu na o nwere ihe onye a mere. O nwere one woman bụ akpụ that woman n'ọnụ. Onye bepụtasị m nna.
Whenever Ikenga talks, he is always referring to himself from all what he has said in the past. What type of a man is he? He should be named as a coward. Whenever he talks, he refers to himself. You see, Biafra, you guys are. Yes.
No weapon here, man, you were weapon among. If you are the one, or so why am not? Or when go was my apple math. The piano. I said, Mamma, I'm not sure that woman. Now, when you said the woman name and oil, Mamma, I'm not sure you. And immediately, the loved one, I have to stop. Or if I'm be do mad or no so them. Or who you could hear or put online or be because some of you will disrespect one that actually say you are being whiter than white. You have to.
You are talking about yes. Oh my goodness, yeah. I think this guy is having an issue with US people, if I'm not, because like what Sonny says here, that each time he's opening his mouth, he's actually talking to himself. Now he's taking banter to US people. Oh my God. Let me see if I can shift it back a bit.
Oh, if I'm be do mad or no so them. Oh, who you could hear or put online or be because some of you will disrespect one that actually say you are being whiter than white. You have to learn how to be loyal.
That thing in Finland, I see you. Welcome. Hit the like button as you join. Thank you. Let's continue.
You don't need to come out and disgrace me. Man, but we find no the right thing to do. I will push and I will change. But if I fail to change, if I refuse to change, the day if I on me, don't have mercy on me. If I deserve because they want to defraud people. They are trying to draw sympathy.
And that is why also some people they choose by politics. People who say they are freedom fighters decided all of a sudden they have interest, and all this while their future and their eyes is to become politicians. All quite the same thing. So judging from what you are saying, all quite the same thing now. Because you cannot tell me that people who are doing what you say they are doing, of course, is wrong, but there's also people who parade themselves as freedom fighter. Even in your own profile, you can. When you're in your Twitter profile, you put there that you are freedom fighter, activist, and you are the only activist who have future in being politics in a country where he's seeking for freedom. You see, Igbo people have everything, anything you want, it is in Igbo land. Oh my goodness.
Some people to have a quote alone. How many $1,000 I make? Say. None of them they make move. Even $5,000 in a month. If you pay make we know. mana apụta ekwu otu olu nnukwu ego ifu bofus amara ife ebido contribute ego onto unu si efu and is a way to encourage bad person. It is a way to encourage bad things instead of you to tell the person. But if he man or the one, if he man, but he will go. In the value, I don't know why we prefer to encourage bad things. Nobody will watch you. Nobody will listen to you. Nobody will even want to hear you. But if you have a bit of people will come. But if you are here to teach common sense, nobody will want to listen.
That is not true. That is not true. You are lying. You are lying. Mazen Ogano has been preaching and teaching, and people were following him. Samanaba was preaching and teaching, people were following him. For example, Chiamaka Ajere, okay, was teaching and preaching before he started to, take the side of the US. For some time, he realized that he's not getting it right. He turned back. When he turned back, people started following him. So don't make it look as if people are dumb. They don't know what they want. When you are saying the truth, okay, people knows what you are saying. People have families, relatives in Biafra land. They can ask question, what is going on? If PM come out and say that they are sit at home in Biafra land, and truly there is no sit at home, he can only do it highest 2 weeks. The third one, nobody will listen to him anymore. You know why? Everybody that is talking to have family in Biafra land, they call, they ask their family, they call their sister. In fact, you don't even need to call. When you are discussing, any issue, or you want to do something in a homeland, they will tell you, no, brother, don't do this today because the sister at home is on Monday. I'm not going, even when you yourself have forgotten, they will be the one to recall your attention. It's happened to many people. If it has not happened to you, ask question. Do you understand? So don't make it look as if people don't know anything. You don't have any contact at home. We don't know what is going on. All of a sudden, we have to rely on information that people are saying online. Like as I am today, if I come out now and say, okay, this Ikenga is working with who will I use now? Okay, Derico. Then he's a well-known a criminal and all that. If I keep on saying that, people who know Derico or who know Ikenga will start contacting me, telling me, brother, what I saying is wrong. Ikenga is not like that, because they have access to investigate what I have said. So anything that's happening in Biafra land, you people are making it look as if it is fake. Because I know where we are going to now. You have not mentioned Biafra land and all that. What you are trying to say is that people, if you want to grow your platform, if you want to have audience, start lying to people. No, it's not true. If you do that, you are on your own. Go and scan through, okay, Sima, for example, who is not even Igbo speaking. Do you understand? In Sima was working with a PM. All of a sudden, he said to go with Neri of Fuego and all that. Go and watch his Sima's YouTube or anything. You see. He hardly, post a video that will get to 300. He will struggle to get that. Even when he become a supporter of Tinubu and everything, Tinubu followers are not yet. They are not even following him because they don't trust him. How will you trust such a person? In an interval of 6 months, he's a Biafra. Now he's Idu. All of a sudden, he become one Nigeria. Only you, interval of 6 months, 7 months, you already have 3 citizenship: Biafran, Idu, and Nigeria. Inconsistent. So you can't tell me that someone who have something offset will follow you or listen to you. So you don't make it look as if for you to get Biafrans are so stupid they can only listen to you when you are lying to them. Whatever I said here is very verifiable. People know you, Ikenga, more than me, just because they don't have chance or they don't have the zeal or the urge or interest to come out and say what they know about you. So it's always like that. You can't just, nobody knows it all. Sometimes you need to give space for other people to tell you who you are. Don't lie to people that Biafrans listen to liars. You have to lie that to you now. What you are trying to tell everybody that Master Namakan is a liar. That's what I'm saying. Now, if you want to put what you are saying into context, you are inducting Master Namakan to become a liar because people followed him because of truthfulness and honesty. What he said, in fact, some people who don't believe in him, even now that he's in DSS, people have started loving him because of what he said before the election. They were doubting him. Now they have come to realization that what he said in the past is actually true. That is when you know what you are saying. Truthfulness and honesty, you can't cover it. It doesn't. It's not a rocket science.
Now let's go to the topic of the day: the significance of self-referendum. Listen, let me tell you people something. If for these people now singing self-referendum, there is absolutely nothing self-referendum can fetch. With the modern life we are living and the kind of people that we have, now listen to me. Do you know why they tell you self-referendum? How about you so that you will keep contributing? You will keep contributing. Because what is important to them is that your contribution. That's why they will see the right thing to do. They will not like to do it right. They will like to do it in a way it will be difficult, so they will continue to milk you.
You see, sometimes it is not, you don't bring trade and barter business to freedom fight. You don't bring buying and selling, not trade and barter, buying and selling, okay? Buying and selling. You don't bring it to freedom. You are fighting for freedom, you don't bring it into. Freedom is not, fighting for your freedom is not about, let me sell this and let me exchange this to get this. It is not what it means. Especially when you are fighting, internal fight to free your people, because what Biafrans are facing now is internal. It is basically internal. People who are holding Biafran freedom are not actually people who we are looking up to. We are looking to free ourselves from them. No, we have people who are insiders, who are the major problem of Biafran freedom. Even when you remove the Biafran in the picture, problem of Igbos as a nation are inside Igbo land. They are not hidden. There are those people that you think they are your leaders. Because just like you, Ikenga, people who go out in the name I want to represent you, when they are outside, all their cares is for themselves first. Let me be satisfied, then I can see what I will bring to people. Whereas for you to be a good leader, you have to look for what you will bring to people. Then people will not say in return, they will shout praises on you. Whatever you want to get, what you have gotten from those people that that gave you something to your people will give you times 10, because the love and protection, the caring, and that thing that they want will be given to you as well in return. But because of your selfishness and impatience, you can't wait for people to give you that blessing that you are hungry for. Now, for example, Igbo politicians are seeking for higher posts in the Nigerian government. Like they want to be president, they want to be vice, they want to be senate president, they want to, that kind of post. Now, all of them want to have that, but they cannot have it because other tribes like Fulani Yorubas are also interested, and they're not going to give you the chance because the agreement that these two people have against you. But whereas if you have your freedom, you will have the chance, very easy way to become the same post in Biafra land, and you will enjoy more than what you have enjoyed, with stress free. You are not going to stress yourself in doing that duty. Do you understand? Because if you are, when you are in your house doing something, you feel relaxed. The language you speak will be very, very easy for people to understand, and they will listen to you as they are one of their own. But when an outsider is doing it, your eyes will be on that person, and the pressure will be on you more. What I'm trying to say is that what this guy is saying here is actually what politician, because he said he wants to become a politician, but he has not become full-time politician. But now he is sounding like one of them, trying to make statement where statement is not needed. You are telling people that they want to milk Biafrans through that self-referendum, which is a lie. Biafran have been supporting PM and Biafran Liberation Army from ongoing, from day one. From get-go, they are there supporting. It's not about referendum. Referendum is just like should I say, another benefit of the support that Biafrans are giving Biafran government exile. Do you think that if you are in the position of PM, by now you buy house in Dubai? You that we all know, you use that money to buy house in Dubai. The money they contributed to PM and Biafran government in exile after the kidnap of Mazi Amadu Kanu, we have seen what that money is meant for. More than what people have offered to Biafran even before the kidnap of Mazi Amadu Kanu. Because Mazi Amadu Kanu, after the contribution, Mazi Amadu Kanu will still put hand in that money and pay you, and pay all the so-called DOS cabinets. But here, the leftovers by Mazi Amadu will still use that money to buy something to to secure our land. And those of you who we will send to buy those things, we will siphon the money. Mazi Amadu is not telling anybody, he's not out to tell you, look, oh, this person siphon money, this person taking money. He kept quiet because once he said that, people will start looking at it as if he's not coordinating them well. So he knows what he was doing. And he's not that he loves it, but he's doing that in pain. He's doing that in pain. But now PM is in charge of it. The money that people contribute, we can see. In fact, to me, I don't see how much people contribute to be enough to what I'm seeing that they're doing. Do you know how much it will take to rent house, all those liaison office around the world? Have you asked yourself how much it will cost to put furnitures and furnish it? Do you know how much it will cost? Do you know how much they spend even to the conference they held in Finland? Do you know how much that means? Do you know how much what those equipment, the catapult and the gravel they're using in homeland? Do you know what it costs? Do you think that uniform, the feeding of those people, do you think is just a child play? How much are they even contributing to compare the work they're putting on the ground? That is why all of them in the cabinet are self-employed. They are working. They are not relying. That's why none of them have time for propaganda. None of them have time for to mention one background government in Israel medium warrior that you know today that his job is to do propaganda. Is it Amaka Jere? He don't have time for that. Is it Adado Rama? He don't have time for that. Are you talking about 247? There's no chance for that. Is it Sona Parawa, information minister? He don't have time for that. Is it Remedios is not part of them, but Remedios don't have time for propaganda. What Remedios does is to throw light on what people or what is happening. Do you understand? So all of them don't have time for propaganda, and that's what US media warriors are waiting. That's why they keep on insulting, waiting for people to come out and have time to bash them, to insult them back and all that. No, nobody have that time. Do you know the video of Methuselah in Biafra land claiming that there's no seat at home, that there's nobody on the ground, there's nothing where he's hiding and behind at back of a whole bunch of them as a government office in Imo State? Do you know that nobody, no Biafran media will have map out time, to do propaganda back? What they did was to react and respond to what he did in the video. Just only response, and that's all. They continue their broadcast. So let's not be deceived by this kind of broadcast that these people are doing, because once you respond to them here, they will send another person to come and say one or two things. Master kind of refused to even tell people that Asad Dokubo took so million from him without delivering the job. He didn't come out and start bashing Asad Dokubo. Then he just kept quiet until Asad Dokubo used his head and bring himself out. Then he replied him with just few lines of words, and that's all. So don't lie to people because you want to prove a point.
They know the right procedure. They know the right thing. They know there is no way somebody is doing what hey, go on there to lie. I declare yourself. Give a bonnet monitor. Go a bonnet website.
Because you don't know what is called database. If you know what database means, you know that there is a provision where people can also have time to scan through that result, go through it and see. Then if they have that, okay, then that's okay. Since you have done well, but you want to make sure that what you give, what you have given to us is the truth. It is the real result. Let us conduct our own self-referendum now. Let us conduct our own referendum. Do you get it? It is a way to pull them for option. They have to pick options. Are you going to accept what you have done, or are you going to conduct it by yourself? It's a common sense. Some of you don't really reason. If PM after the self-referendum, that's why I keep on pushing and preaching for everybody to go out and vote, because your vote is very, very important. It's very, very important. People may not see it like this guy now. You think that is called self-referendum. You have done it for yourself. Now, if people say, yes, what you have done for yourself is good, but we are not sure that this number is accurate, the only option they have to debunk that your result is for them to go out and do the another one. Let them come out and do another one. Do you understand it? Let us now, because your own, the number you have, the one you have done, we push them. Wow. So you're able to get so millions. Wow. Okay. We don't trust what we've done. Nobody is afraid of them saying that they don't trust. Even PM is not afraid of them saying we don't trust this result. Nobody is afraid. That is why it is your responsibility to make sure that what you are doing is real. So that when they come back and say, we don't trust this, we want to redo it again, they will not see that what you have done was actually the right thing. And now you have two authentic referendum that is not unbiased. One is the one you conducted by yourself. And let me tell you, for you to even have the capacity to conduct self-referendum by yourself is a testament that you can govern a state. Is a proof that you know what you're doing. Is a proof that people also listen to what you are saying. It is a proof for people to know that what you have done is government-based system, that's what you have used. Because the system that Biafrans are using now, that self-referendum, have not been used in Africa as a continent. Nobody, no country, even South Africa have not used that. Where you can sit in your house, in your bedroom, even in your toilet, and vote successfully. The data the platform is just very little. Do you know what it means? Do you know, if you know what that self-referendum means, you will use your brain to know what is happening. Don't wait for PM to start teaching you like a kindergarten children. You have your brain, make use of it. The self-referendum is not something that you can joke with. If you really know the result of that self-referendum, I'm telling you, countries in Africa that have independence are unable to conduct such